Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk about the main four power of attorney forms in the state of Kansas. Now, real quick, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just a legal document that allows one person to appoint anyone else of their choosing to handle either financial or medical decisions on their behalf. So let's get started. On the all the way left side of the page, we're going to be over here where the Kansas Durable Power of Attorney form. Now, this is the most popular power of attorney form, the most common power of attorney form that exists out there. And what it does, it allows someone else to act on another's behalf for any and all financial powers legal. But what makes this form so popular is that it remains valid if the principal, and the principal is the person giving their power to someone else, so it remains valid if the principal becomes incapacitated or not in a position where they can make decisions for themselves. So, for example, with our baby boomer generation getting older, they're encountering things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these different things that make it harder and harder for them to keep up with their financial obligations every day. And so, what this form does is it allows them to choose somebody, usually a family member, but it can be anyone, to act for them so that they can keep up with all their financial obligations. And so what you'll usually see is this durable form, and most often people will also get this medical form and have the same person represent them for all healthcare decision making. And the healthcare decision making it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, you go to the if they're in the hospital, they go to the doctors in the near future. What it does is it allows them to choose somebody to choose the treatment options, medical facility decisions, and only if specifically instructed by the person, the right to end their medical treatment if they're a vegetable with no way of coming back. So it's highly advised to get these two things done before an unfortunate event happens, because if it does happen, you're not able to get these forms signed. So moving along to the right over here, we have the Kansas General Power of Attorney form. Now this is just like the Durable Power of Attorney form, except for the fact that this form becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated. So this is a great form if you have a company or if you just have a business where you need your accountant to constantly be looking at your banking finances, or you need somebody to have access to all your finances and be able to make decisions on your finances. It can be an actual attorney, it can be anyone, but at the same time, with all these power of attorney forms, you want to make sure that the person is trusted. You want to trust that person that they're going to be able to make all these right decisions. And then going to the right, we have the Kansas Limited Power of Attorney form. Now, this is a great form because it allows you to choose somebody to handle a very specific financial power. And it can be anywhere from just handling your mail, picking up a car for you, making a deposit or withdrawal. I know I use this for my accountant to do my taxes every year. And it's really great because sometimes you don't want the person to necessarily have all the power of your banking and everything like the general and the durable do. But this allows you to sleep at night and just, if it's someone that you don't really know but they need to have access to a few things, this is really, really great to have. So it depends if you select any one of these forms, you're going to need to get it notarized. If you don't know how to get something notarized, don't worry, just go to your branch bank. Everybody at a branch bank is able to notarize a form, as they are all, they always have a public notary that is on staff. So that is pretty much it. These are the four main Kansas power of attorney forms.